Taking measurements and creating estimates for your customers is a faster and more efficient process with Go Figure. As a Go Figure user, you can use Spike by Ike GPS to shorten your time to measure, making your job easier. Spike is a smart laser measurement solution that integrates with the Go Figure app and your iPad. By using Go Figure with Spike, you can reduce your time to measure a house from hours to minutes and increase the accuracy of your measurements and estimates. Your customers will be impressed with the professionalism of Go Figure. Not only can you provide them with accurate measurements and photo documentation of the measurements, but you can also turn around a detailed estimate faster, all from your iPad. This means you can take on more bids and new business and increase your closing rate by bidding ahead of others. When you go on site to work on a proposal, the only equipment you'll need is your iPad, Go Figure app, and your Spike device. The Spike device is a laser rangefinder that pairs with your tablet and Go Figure app via Bluetooth. Spike's laser rangefinder works jointly with your tablet's camera, GPS, and compass. Once on site, set up a new project for the proposal and add job details including job title and contact information. Then select Camera to open the Spike capture screen. Power on your Spike device and tap on the name to pair Spike with your iPad. Hold your iPad at eye level height and aim the Spike crosshair at the side of the house you want to measure. Make sure you are pointing the laser at a solid surface and not at a window. You may not always be straight on to the side of the house, but for highest accuracy, try to position yourself as close to perpendicular as possible. Confirm that you can see the entire side you want to measure on your screen. Then take a photo. Repeat with all sides of the house. If the side of a house has a wall that spans 2 planes, take a photo of each plane separately. When you are done taking photos and are ready to measure, select the photo you would like to measure. The first step is to deskew the photo. Tap on Scale and select Align in Spike. Draw a rectangle that spans the entire side of the house. Zoom in so that you can align each anchor with each corner of the wall. Once you have completed your rectangle, tap Done. The photo will refresh and then the photo will appear deskewed. Now you can take measurements and generate a proposal. To measure the area of the wall, tap on Add Item, Area, Type, and then select the material. Now, drop points and draw lines around the side of the house you are measuring. Once the box is closed, you will know how many squares of siding are needed for that side of the house. To measure the windows on that same side, tap on Window tool, Add Item, then pick a type. A backwards L will appear on the screen. Zoom in and then stretch the L to cover the window using the crosshairs. In the dialog box in the lower left corner, tap on Count. Then tap on each of the same sized windows to add them up. To add a new window type, tap on Window Type in the dialog box and select the type. Then stretch the backwards L to cover the window and do a count of 1. To measure windows for trim, tap on Add Item, Linear, Trim, and pick a type. Tap to add a point and draw lines around the window. When you are done taking those measurements, tap on Job Details. As you were adding those items, a worksheet was created showing each line item with pricing. This is pricing that you or your company can set up. You can also add an additional cost. At the same time, a proposal was being built. A new photograph was added in contract language for each item. This also shows pricing for the total project. This professional proposal is what you would share with the homeowner. Once you are done with the proposal and the worksheet, you can generate a job report for the back office by selecting Bid Package Export. This PDF export shows every side you did a takeoff on, including photos, measurements, quantities, and pricing. A copy of the homeowner contract is also included. You have now successfully completed creating a professional estimate for a homeowner at a fraction of the time it used to take you and with greater accuracy.